when I started doing beatboxing, I didn't know it is beatboxing. मैंने पहली बार बीटबॉक्सिंग किया तो घर वाले पागल हो गए थे कि क्या कर रहा है तू ये आवाज़ें निकालता है तू. Beatboxing has given me a lot, like a different personality, a different life. I can't leave it. I was very introvert back then, so I thought I will not be able to do anything.
AI can also do beatboxing as well. So, do you think AI is going to replace Lucky?
They don't see a beatboxer, they don't see a stand-up comedian, they don't see a anchor, they don't see a host killing on stage, they don't see a flutist, they don't see a shire, they only see a kid.
My chammak challo, oh, wanna be my chammak challo, oh. Standards आपने ऊंचे कर दिए मेरे. Welcome back to OP Podcast, where we bring you stories that inspire, move, and make you believe in chasing your passion. Today's guest is not just a beatboxer, he's a performer, a storyteller, a stand up artist, and a vibe creator. From Bollywood rhythms to global soundscape, from performing in the streets to big stages, he has carved his own identity with nothing but his own voice, creativity, and confidence. Meet Bismillah Khan, popularly known as Lucky, a 22-year-old beatboxer from Bhubaneswar, whose journey is filled with music, humor, art, and a deep love for nature. Lucky's journey is a proof that talent doesn't need a big CD tag. It needs belief, discipline, and courage. This is not just a podcast, it is a masterclass in creative courage. Hey Lucky, what's up? We are absolutely loving the beatboxing and the mass up, the stand up that you have been doing lately.
Thank you.
So, alright, before we go deeper, let's do a quick vibe check. Like, give us 20 seconds of beatboxing or the kind of scene that you do on Make That Move.
Okay. So let's go for basics. It only have three beats: B, T, and K. So it's like and T is t, and K is. So let's listen together.
Lovely, like, I am totally amazed, like, how you do it. Looks like magic. Okay, what was the first sound that you have ever tried, like, with your mouth? Like,
Um, the first one actually when I started doing beatboxing, I didn't know it is beatboxing. मैं बस ऐसे बैठ के कुछ notes लिख रहा था and then I thought कि शांत बैठ के लिखने में कुछ मज़ा नहीं है, कुछ तो करो बस बैठ के. So I was doing this. ये 2-3 कुटाई भी पड़ी मम्मी से. And then I got to know कि ये एक sound है which sounds like and this was the first sound that I learned. Yeah.
lovely, lovely. मैं करूँगा बहुत और लगेगा. So, like, when did someone first say, like, bro, you are actually good at this?
नहीं सॉरी मतलब ठीक है. एंड देन जब मैं कॉलेज में गया देन आई वाज लाइक दिखाता है सब लोगों को क्या है क्या नहीं है. दैट वाज गुड. लोगों
was
का अच्छा
great.
एक्सपीरियंस बहुत मेरा अच्छा था. लोगों को भी बहुत मज़ा आया.
Okay. So, like, if you weren't a beatboxer today, like, what do you think you would be doing?
फॉर श्योर स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी.
For sure.
फॉर श्योर क्योंकि जब मैं भुवनेश्वर आया आई स्टार्टेड एज अ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन बट देन आई मेट आशुतोष नाथ इन कॉमेडी बैटल एक्चुअली एंड देन आई थॉट लेट्स मीट हिम. हम उनसे मिले हमने बातें की एंड देन ही सेड कि तू ये चीज़ अगर कर रहा है डू इट ऑन स्टेज. फिर जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गया.
Then you made history, right? So, what's one moment from home that unknowingly prepared you to be a performer? Like, a thing happened at home and you said, okay, I will be the performer. Because it is very unconventional. Like, being a performer in an Indian household is very difficult.
Yeah. Actually, my father was a artist. Actually, I would say
Lovely.
he is an actor. He used to do theaters in Keonjhar, and my grandfather was a headmaster, so he was very confident in stage, and he was an anchor. And my sister was a very good student, a scholar. She used to also do anchoring and all. So I was very introvert back then. So I thought I will not be able to do anything in future. I was very conserved. एक टाइम आया जब मेरे दिल में वो चलने लगा कि यार मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं क्या अलग कर पाऊँगा. And then I came to Bhubaneswar and I thought नहीं मैं कर पाऊँगा. And then I thought कि नहीं करते हैं, कुछ तो नया करते हैं. And Bhubaneswar has a lot of scope actually. I feel Bhubaneswar gives lot of scope to lot of artists. Yeah, भुवनेश्वर आया एंड फिर अलग ही लाइफ स्टार्ट हो गया यहाँ से.
Dream city for you, right?
Ah, yeah.
So, as a performer from Bhubaneswar, since we are talking about Bhubaneswar, do you ever feel underestimated? Like people don't understand beatboxing?
Honestly, yes. Because people only see a BCom kid. They don't see a beatboxer, they don't see a stand-up comedian, they don't see a anchor, they don't see a host killing on stage, they don't see a flutist, they don't see a shire. They only see a kid who is doing BCom. अब जब बढ़ते हो आगे तो धीरे धीरे लोग पहचानने लगते हैं. जब स्टार्ट आप करते हो, भुवनेश्वर हो कोई भी जगह हो, आप एक आर्टिस्ट हो, आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, मुझे नहीं लगता लोग आपको पहली बार में समझ जाएंगे भाई आप बहुत तगड़ा कर रहे हो. अंडर एस्टिमेट फॉर श्योर करते हैं लोग. बट आई फील जब मैं कंटिन्यू करता हूँ, लोगों के साथ मज़े वगैरह करता हूँ, देन आई हिट देम कि भाई ऐसा ऐसा है, कॉमेडी होती है, उनके साथ जोक्स होते हैं, दे डोंट सी इट कमिंग. फिर मज़ा आता है मुझे.
So, how do you flip that on stage?
एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. मतलब आई डू कॉमेडी, आई रोस्ट देम मोस्ट प्रोबेबली, एंड धीरे धीरे ऐसा हो जाता है कि लोग लाइक नहीं यार हम लोग गलत सोच रहे थे इसके बारे में, ये बड़ा ही अजीब इंसान है, इसके साथ ज़्यादा मजाक मत करो, फिर ये लेना शुरू कर देगा. तो ऐसा मजाक मजाक में या
Since we are talking about performances, like who was your first inspiration? Like, okay, this person inspired me a lot and I will be the performer.
So, as I said, I never wanted to be a beatboxer. I always wanted to be a confident man. So, when I came into the industry of beatboxing and stand-up comedy, I was really inspired by DVK. Divyansh, Divyansh is a beatboxer. He is a winner of season 9, India's Got Talent.
Okay,
Yeah, uh, I loved his work.
was your first inspiration.
Yeah.
So, how's the scene of beatboxing in Bhubaneswar?
Actually, there are not a lot of beatboxers in Bhubaneswar, but there are many hidden talents in Bhubaneswar. Like, I know a lot of people, a lot of beatboxers who are really good. I would say better than me, but they are not getting a stage. Yeah.
You are known for your desi flavors. So, like, can you flip a Bollywood hook into a beatboxing sound?
As in,
Let's say, wanna be my chamak cholo, and then we slowly transition into the beat.
okay. Wanna be my chamak chalo. Give me another song like थोड़ा कुछ.
What's your favorite song?
मेरे जो फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स है सर, मैं उसमें बीट बॉक्स नहीं कर सकता. आई एक्चुअली लव चांसी महबूबा. Yeah. और ओके, वन भी मैं छमक छलो पे ट्राई करते हैं. आप गाओगे?
I am very bad at singing.
आप
Okay,
थोड़ा गाओ.
Okay.
आई गेट
Okay.
इट.
ऐसा शर्माना आजा नच के दिखा दे, मेरी होने आजा पर्दा गिरा दे, मेरी I forgot the lyrics.
हाँ.
Wanna be my chamak chalo, oh. Wanna be my chamak chalo, oh. Wanna be my chamak chalo, oh. Lovely. The audience watching, please don't mind my singing. Okay. You also do stand up
Yeah.
and also Sayari.
Yeah.
So let's hear 2 lines of Sayari.
शायरी. I don't remember. I have a lot of stuff in my phone. If you allow, I would.
Okay.
आप शायरी सुनते हो?
A bit like एक था राजा एक थी रानी दोनों मर गए खत्म कहानी.
ओके. फिर लेवल बहुत खराब है, उसको अच्छा करते हैं. ओके. एक सिचुएशन हिंदी में समझा देता हूँ आपको ताकि आप शायरी समझ पाओ. सिचुएशन इज लाइक लड़के जब किसी से लगाव हो जाता है, लड़कों को जब उन्हें किसी से प्यार हो जाता है तो, और जब उन्हें ना वो मिलती नहीं है वो लड़की, या फिर उस चीज़ से उनका वो भरोसा टूट जाता है कि नहीं अब ये नहीं मिलेगा मुझे, तो वो गलत रास्ते में निकल जाते हैं, कुछ इधर उधर की चीज़ें करते हैं, पागल हो जाता है यस. तो उस जगह एक समझदार इंसान क्या करेगा? तो उस पर है कि हाँ मैं कैद था, है कैद रहना हराम। हाँ मैं कैद था, है कैद रहना हराम, वो पिंजरा प्यार का मैं कहता शरेआम। हाँ मैं कैद था, है कैद रहना हराम, वो पिंजरा प्यार का मैं कहता शरेआम। बदनाम हुआ शेर लिखकर हाँ मानता हूँ, टूट कर जॉन जॉन बना ये जानता हूँ। तकलीफ़ में ज़ुबां नहीं मैंने ये कलम आखिरी चलाया, कसम उस पाक ज़ात की इजहार करके मैंने आज़ादी मनाया।
वाह, मतलब स्टैंडर्ड्स आपने ऊंचे कर दिए मेरे।
सीधा।
हाँ, बढ़िया था। लाइक अभी, लाइक यू आर एन एंटरटेनर, लाइक हाउ फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल to be an entertainer in Bhubaneswar? Like you can be, if you have this much amount, you can be stable in Bhubaneswar. Do you think?
Uh, Actually, stand up and all this open mic and this entertainment, it's not secure like 9 to 5 for sure. But if you're earning at least 25 or 30,000 in Bhubaneswar with this as a part time, then I feel it's okay.
It's
It's
okay,
good.
right?
Yeah. As a student, I feel it's good because you're now a student. No one is expecting you to earn from you to earn. Like अभी आप आराम से पढ़ाई करके आगे कुछ जॉब कर सकते हो, बट आप स्टूडेंट के रहते हुए आप अगर अर्न कर रहे हो विथ योर पैशन, इट्स गुड.
Yeah. After, like, let's say 5 years, after 10 years, would you still be willing to do this, or you will prefer a stable job?
Um, Honestly, I will be going for a balance of both because I feel this open mics, this stand-up comedy, this beatboxing has given me a lot, like a different personality, a different life. I can't leave it. And of course, for life, there should be a stable income, and yeah, I'll be having a balance of both.
All right. Right now, the talk of the town is AI,
Yeah.
and AI can also do beatboxing as well. So, do you think AI is going to replace Lucky?
AI. um, आपको एक चीज़ बताऊँ मैं.
हाँ.
AI, AI से पहले हम समझते हैं बीट बॉक्सिंग है क्या. बीट बॉक्सिंग इज मेकिंग साउंड्स विद माउथ, बट वही साउंड्स ऑलरेडी पहले से हैं जो हम कंप्रेसर से बजाते हैं. हम उस चीज़ को कॉपी करके और अच्छे फ्लेवर्स के साथ एक देसी तरीके से हम उसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं. अब वो चीज़ अगर आप AI से करवाओगे तो वही हो जाएगा ना कि आप पापा से सीख रहे हो, बेटे को सिखा रहे हो, फिर पापा को ही करवा रहे हो. फिर फ़ायदा नहीं है. बेटा इज़ ऑलवेज गुड देन पापा, आई फील. AI cannot replace any of the beatboxers because beatboxing is something uh, which is really like AI cannot copy that. I feel so because we do bass like वो हर मशीन कर सकता है, बट जो चीज़ इंसान कर रहे हैं उसमें एक अलग स्वाद है. आई फील अब वो चीज़ अगर AI कर देगा तो फिर मज़ा ही नहीं है.
मजा आएगा.
आप बीट सुनते हो, आप डीजे देखते हो, वो मशीन में भी बजता है, बट पीपल प्रेफर टू सी इट फ्रॉम अ मैन, क्योंकि इंसान अगर कर रहा है दैट इज़ रियली अनएक्सपेक्टेड. अब AI करेगा तो फिर तो उसके हाथ की बात है ना, बाएं हाथ की बात है, वो तो हर चीज़ कर लेगा.
So, in the last 1 year, you have grown as an artist.
Yeah.
Like I have seen also. Like, how do you think you embrace this journey?
कट कर दो थोड़ा. क्या बताऊँ इसका जवाब मैं आपको.
हाँ, मतलब कैसे आपको लगता है कि मैं ग्रो किया हूँ एज एन आर्टिस्ट?
एज एन आर्टिस्ट आई फील जब मैं नया नया स्टार्ट किया आई वॉज लाइक वेरी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट, अंडर एस्टिमेटेड बाय द रिलेटिव्स एंड द पीपल अराउंड मी. बट धीरे धीरे when I got into the scene of comedy, there were a lot of good comedians who encouraged me a lot. Like you can do it. And जब मैंने पहली बार अपना stand up comedy first show किया, it was killing. And then I got really motivated कि यार मैं कुछ तो कर सकता हूँ. अब मेरा पहला शो इतना तगड़ा हो रहा है, then मैं आगे कुछ और कर सकता हूँ. That motivated me a lot. Yeah.
So you said about relatives, like were they orthodox, conservative, or were they pressuring you?
Fully
Like,
orthodox.
fully orthodox.
Yeah.
So there was a lot
Like
of
not my
pressure.
father, mother, my sister. My nuclear family is really supportive. And yeah.
Like an artist supports an artist. They were artists
Exactly.
before. What message would you like to give to that 15-year-old Bismillah?
देखो बेटा, परेशान नहीं होना, ये रिलेटिव्स ऐसे ही परेशान करेंगे. तुम बस पढ़ाई करो अभी, क्योंकि तुम जब 22 के हो जाओगे तुम सच में कुछ बड़ा करने वाले हो बस.
So I can see your weapon of choice. You have the flute here.
Yeah.
So let's hear something with flute and beatboxing.
For
Let's
sure, for
let's have a jam.
So, एक चीज़ है जो मैंने अभी तक किसी को बताया नहीं कि मैं फ्लूट के साथ भी बीट बॉक्सिंग करता हूँ. लाइक
Okay.
फ्लूट बॉक्सिंग, इट्स अ डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. तो थोड़ा सा फ्लूट बजाते हैं,
हाँ, हाँ.
क्योंकि मैं फ्लूट उतना अच्छा नहीं बजा लेता, अभी सीख रहा हूँ. मेरा ये है ना कि आई एम वेरी क्विक लर्नर, बहुत जल्दी चीज़ें वो सीख जाता हूँ, तो बस सीख रहा हूँ अभी. देखते हैं आप लोगों को कैसा लगता है.
Badhiya, lovely. So, like, before we wrap up,
Yeah.
okay. So, there's one last everyone watching, and turn up your volume and drop your worries because the beats are going to take over. And Lucky, show your magic. Show your magic. Lovely, lovely, and that was it. That
Yeah.
was it. You want to learn more about content creation, learn more about beatboxing, like Lucky is here, and that's it. That's our whole episode.
Yeah.
And it was lovely meeting you.
Thank
Lucky.
you. Thank you.
you.
Lovely
Thank
meeting
you.
you too.
Thank you. Lucky's journey reminds us that art is not just about perfection, it is about expression. It's about finding your sound in a noisy world and owing it with confidence. From Bhubaneswar to big stages, from beatboxing to stand up, from dreams to discipline, his story proves that when passion meets hard work, magic happens. To every 15-year-old watching this and dreaming big, this episode is for you. This is OP Podcast where stories create impact. And this was Bismillah Khan, aka Lucky, turning beats into belief. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and keep creating.